Welcome to Mathematics Trigonometric Ratios Part 5. So let us solve some long answer type questions from exercise 6A, Roman number 3. First question, first bit. Prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Let us take the left hand side and prove it. So tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. In place of minus 1, I am writing sec square theta minus tan square theta. This is 1. Sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. So in numerator, in place of 1, I am writing sec square theta minus tan square theta and remaining same. Denominator write as it is, no change in denominator. Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Here sec square minus tan square, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So you can write it as a plus b into a minus b. Only in denominator, the second term is in the form of a square minus b square. So split it into a plus b and a minus b. Now first term as it is, tan theta plus sec theta minus, so the second term is in the form of a square minus b square. I am writing it as a plus b sec plus tan into sec minus tan. So this is a plus b into a minus b. No change in denominator. Write as it is. Now from the numerator, I am taking common tan theta plus sec theta from these two terms. Take it common. Take tan theta plus sec theta common. Here 1 will remain. Tan theta plus sec theta బయటికి రాస్తే ఒకటి మిగులుతుంది. Minus in this sec theta minus tan theta will remain. No change in denominator. Write as it is. Now write it as it is. Tan theta plus sec theta multiplying with minus sec theta minus into minus plus tan theta. Now as it is, no change in denominator, only we are changing the numerator. Now look at this 1 minus sec theta tan theta. So you can cancel these two terms as they are same. Only tan theta plus sec theta will remain. Now writing tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, sec theta as 1 by cos theta. Tan ante sin by cos, sec ante 1 by cos. LCM cos theta for both. Taking LCM and adding sin theta plus 1 by cos theta. This is what we require. This is the required answer, or which is right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence it is proved. Very simple proof. Only change numerator one. First step, 1 as x square minus tan square, and this a square minus b square a plus b minus b, and taking common and cancelling these two terms, you will get tan theta plus sec theta, and converting it into sine cos form, you will get the answer. Now let us take one more problem. The next problem, third bit. First question, second bit. Prove that one plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Now let us take left hand side 1 plus, I am writing cot in terms of cos theta by sin theta, cosec theta also 1 by sin theta. In second term also, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, sec theta 1 by cos theta. First step, cot, tan, sec, cosec, I am writing them, express them in terms of sin and cos. Next, దీంట్లో take LCM sin theta. So here 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Here also LCM is cos theta. 1 into cos theta plus cos out is rational. Now consider it as A and this as B. Now it is in the form of A minus B, A plus B. A minus B, A plus B. So you can write it as A square minus B square. So here sin theta plus cos theta, I am taking it as A and 1 as B, A minus B, A plus B. So this is, you can write in terms of A square minus B square, where A is sin, A is sin theta plus cos theta, and A square, B is 1 square, sin theta into cos theta, denominator sin theta into cos theta. Now expanding this with A plus B whole square, A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So here sin square cos square plus 2AB is 2 sin theta cos theta, and 1 square is 1. No change in denominator. Sin theta into cos theta as it is. We know sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So this becomes 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. 1 minus will get answer. 2 sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So sin cos will get cancelled. You will get 2. So that is RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS proved. Very simple. Only first step, cot theta, I am writing it cos by sin, cosec, I am writing 1 by sin. So tan as sin by cos, sec as 1 by cos. Taking LCM and using this a square minus b square formula and simplifying, cancelling, we get the RHS required answer 2. Let us take one more problem from the first question, third bit. Prove that three into sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4, 6 into sin theta plus cos theta square plus 4 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Is equal to 13. Very interesting and important problems. All this third bit is long answer type questions. Taking LHS 3 into this sin theta cos theta power 4, I am dividing it into 2 and 2. This can be written as sin theta cos theta square and square power 4. I am writing power 4 as a square of square. This a minus a plus b whole square form. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here, 2 sin theta cos theta. Four into, I'm writing it as sin square theta power cube. Sin square cube. Sin power 6, writing it as sin square cube. And cos power 6, cos square cube. And this is in the form of bracket. Inside bracket is in the form of a cube plus b cube, and express this a cube b cube as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. You can write a cube b cube, a cube plus b cube as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So this is a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus sin theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. And again square is there, whole square. Inside sin minus cos, I am writing a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this, simplifying, sin square plus cos square becomes 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is 6 into 1, bracket becomes 1. And the remaining sin theta, cos theta as it is. And the third term, a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube. Here a is sin square theta plus b is cos square theta. So a plus b whole cube minus 3ab, a sin square, b cos square. So 3ab and 3 sin square cos square into a plus b. So here a is sin square, b is cos square. Okay. Don't get confused. It is very easy. Only how we are changing, you observe it. Again, sin square plus cos square becomes 1. So in this step, this bracket becomes 1. This is 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. Second term, multiplying with 6 into 2, 12 sin theta cos theta. And this bracket becomes 1 cube, 3 sin square theta cos square theta, and this bracket becomes 1 sin square plus cos square is 1. Again, this is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 1 plus 1 square is 1. So this is a square, b square, 2 square is 4. Sin theta cos theta square and sin square theta cos square and a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2 into 1 into this one, 2 into 2ab, 1 into 2 sin theta cos theta plus 6 plus 12 as it is, no change in this. So here 4 into 1, 4. Otherwise, you write 1 cube as 1. So this is 3 sin square theta cos square theta into 1 and sin 3 sin square theta cos. Further multiplying 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 4, 12 sin square theta cos square theta, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12 sin theta cos theta. This is 4, 4 into 3, 12. So 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta as it is. 4 into 1, 4, 4 into minus 3, minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta, plus 12 sin square theta minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta will get cancelled, plus 12 sin theta cos theta minus 12 sin theta cos theta will get cancelled. So 3 plus 6 plus 4, only these numbers will remain 3 and 6 and 4. So that is equal to 13. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13. This is equal to 13. This is required answer. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, it is proved. Very important and easy. How we are changing the terms, just observe what happened first term. This is a plus b whole square, a square b square to ab. This power 4 we are writing square of square, and power 6 we are writing square power cube. Next, using a cube plus b cube formula and writing sin square plus cos square 1 and squaring, expanding, multiplying, we will get this answer. Now let us take one more problem from the exercise. Second bit, Roman number 3rd, second question for first bit. Prove that sin theta plus cosec theta whole square, sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square minus tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 7. Take the left hand side, a plus b whole square, a square b square to ab. So this is in the form of a plus b. Both are in the form of a plus b whole square. And in first step, just expand with using this formula. So here a square is sin square, b square cosec square, 2ab 2 sin theta into cosec theta. And second also cos square cosec square plus 2 cos square cosec square, and multiplying with minus tan square theta minus cot square theta. Sine cosec will get cancelled. Sine is equal to 1 by cosec, or cosec is equal to 1 by sine. So sine into cosec is 1. Similarly, here also cos theta into cosec theta, sec theta. Here it is cos theta plus sec theta. This is sec theta. So cosec theta into this is 2 cos theta and sec theta. So cos is 1 by sec or sec is 1 by cos, both will get cancelled. So cos into sec is 1, sine into cosec is also 1. Now I am writing sine square and cos square together. Sine square theta plus cos square theta, and 2 plus 2 cosec square minus cot square. I write together cosec square theta minus cot square theta, and this is sec square, cos and sec. Sec square minus tan square. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Here 2 into 1, 2. That is 2 into 1 plus here also 2 into 1. 2 cos into sec 2 becomes 2 into 1. Sin square plus cos square becomes 1. Cosec square minus cot square also 1. Sec square minus tan square is also 1. So this is 2 into 1. This is 2 into 1. That is 7. This is the required answer. You know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And cosec square theta minus cot square theta is also 1. 1 plus cot square is cosec square. So if you bring this one, this becomes 1. And 1 plus tan square is sec square, or sec square minus tan square is is 1. So in this way, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 is 7. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, it is proved. Very easy. Nothing difficult is there. First, a plus b whole square, using this formula, expanding these squares. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Sin square plus cosec square plus sin 2 sin cosec. Here cos plus sec theta. A square plus b square 2ab. Cos square plus sec square plus 2 cos sec. And multiplying with minus. And sin square cos square together. Cosec square minus cot square. And sec square minus tan square writing together. And this sin cosec will get cancelled, becomes 1. Cos and sec becomes 1. And therefore, adding all this, you will get 7. Okay. So keep watching all the videos right from part 1 to continuously. It will be easy for you to follow. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell button. You will receive all notifications. All the content, intermediate mathematics videos are freely available for all the students. Keeping this corona pandemic situation, I am preparing the mathematics videos for the benefit of all the students. Keep watching. Thank you. Thank you.